My critical issue is standardized testing, and I have the side of 4. Standardized testing has benefits to it when used properly and when certain conditions are met. Ideally, in a perfect situation, or even in a near perfect situation, standardized assessments should help inform students how good they are. In other words, their strengths and gaps and what they need to work on. So what they still need to learn, and also tests should aim to motivate them to greater effort. Other benefits are that tests produce better organization of knowledge, that is, that they retrieval practice or testing can improve the conceptual organization of materials and practices, especially when the tests are open-ended. Retrieval of the material causes students to organize their information more than they would by simply reading it. Another benefit is that testing can facilitate or make easier retrieval of material that wasn't tested. In other words, we can't test on everything all the time, so but research has shown that retrieval practice or testing not only enhances retention of material that students are learning, but it also induces something called retrieval-induced facilitation, which shows testing improves retention of non-tested material, but material that is related. Testing can also prevent interference from prior material when learning new material. In other words, after a student has learned new material and is assessed on it or tested on it, it leaves room to study and learn new material. Testing can and does provide feedback to instructors. Formative testing can do a lot more than just help students to learn. It also provides teachers and administrators, and in a larger scale, obviously, districts with feedback about what students do and don't know, and teachers in turn can encourage students to change or modify their behavior. These points are, I guess, seem obvious, but sometimes they are overlooked as benefits. So there are definitely benefits to standardized testing. There's definitely controversial aspects to it, but there are definite and real benefits to standardized and formative or progress monitoring testing when used appropriately and when proper measures are taken.